Everyone knows that there's nothing more relaxing than cleaning your house. However, it can get tedious if you're doing it all by yourself. Luckily, there are ways to make your cleaning experience more efficient and even fun. One way to do this is by investing in a quality spin mop and bucket. So in this video, we'll be discussing the 5 best spin mop and buckets you can buy in 2022. We'll go over their features, benefits, and what sets them apart from the competition. By the end, you'll know which spin mop and bucket is right for you and your home. All the links to the products will be in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Joymoop Mop and Bucket. The Joymoop Mop and Bucket is a great set for any household. The bucket has 2 chambers, one for washing and one for drying, so you can easily clean your floors without any dirty water. The mop head is 360 degrees rotatable, so you can reach any corner or hard-to-reach place. The handle is also adjustable, so you can use it for any family member. The microfiber pads are also washable and have strong water absorption. Number 4. Cedar Promist Max Spray Mop. The Cedar Promist Max Spray Mop is a great way to clean your floors without having to use a lot of chemicals. The microfiber pad is super absorbent and can be used wet or dry. You can also save money by washing the microfiber pad and using it again. The Promist Max is also easy to use and doesn't require batteries, so it's not only economical, but also eco-friendly. Number 3. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mops. The Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mop is a great tool for quickly and easily cleaning your floors. The starter kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a sweeper device, 4 dry heavy-duty cloths, 3 wet heavy-duty pads, 10 dry sweeping cloths, and 2 wet mopping pads. The dry cloths are great for trapping and locking in dirt, dust, and hair, while the wet mopping cloths trap and lock in 50% more dirt than the standard Swiffer pads. The Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mop is a great tool for quickly and easily cleaning all your hard floor surfaces. Number 2. O-Cedar Easy Wring Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Easy Wring Spin Mop with Bucket is the best way to clean your hard floors. With its built-in wringer, you can easily wring out the mop without getting your hands wet. The machine-washable microfiber mop head is also reusable, making it a great investment for your home. The deep cleaning microfiber technology captures dirt and grime with just plain water, so you don't need harsh chemicals. The mop head is also able to rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to reach all the hard-to-reach places in your home. Number 1. Elicto Electronic Spin Mop and Polisher. The Elicto Electronic Spin Mop and Polisher is the best spin mop on our list. It features a 3-in-1 powerful mechanism which combines mopping, polishing, and scrubbing, making it the perfect tool for cleaning sealed hardwood, ceramic, linoleum, tile, granite, and marble floors. The mop also has an on-demand spray for wet mopping and a 250 milliliter water tank for dry mopping. It is also lightweight and fully adjustable, making it easy to use and maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The Elicto comes with 2 sets of premium washable and reusable mop pads that are made of microfibers to lock in dust, dirt, and tough stains. So that's our top 5 best spin mop and bucket you can buy in 2022. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching.